So we're in our Palatine job, East Juniper, finishing our actual patio. So we use Beacon Hill with charcoal trim patio, but we're doing a Polymeric sand sweeping today. And now Ben here is watering the patio down. So if you can see, there's a darker color on the inside of the patio. That's all the sand coming out. But we did a lot of sand in between, but you want to have the sand be about a quarter-inch, a few centimeters lower than the actual bricks. You can see I'll have the outline of it, but he's wetting it down, and you can see all the water's going in the right direction. You know, it's going off the patio where it should, so it's pitched correctly. But this will be done, and by the time it warms up today and it gets sunny, this will be dry by the evening, and we can get all the patio furniture back on. But we have the rest of the job site to clean up. We'll get all this cleaned up in the next couple hours. We're taking some of the sand, using it for the play box that they want the sand for. That's all done. You can see he's taking his time and doing a great job. So once this is all done, we allow time to dry and it'll look great. You're going to start from the inside of the house and you'll work your way out. And make sure your shoes are clean and your hose is clean, so you don't drag all the stuff on, because Polymeric sand, when it dries and it gets really hard. If you have pavers installed with just normal sand, not G2 Polymeric, then you do have weeds that come through within the next year or 2 years fast. But using G2 Polymeric, a little bit more money, but you get exactly what you pay for. You know, they won't have weeds for a long time here. And with our pavers, we offer a 5-year warranty and lifetime on pavers. Thanks for watching, guys.